I know this is a random thing, but someone mentioned, well, they were after ideas for a trailer for their boat the other day. So while my boat is off over there, I'll show you my trailer. It is 100% redneck. Anyway, no, it's basically, this used to be a travel trailer, like a camper, which got stripped down. Things have been added, obviously. Got the winch and everything, spare tyre, all that stuff. I just put some 2x4s on it, routed them down just so it actually fits, because the boat there has got some nice runners on it. Put some slip plates on it, and these here guides are actually, they're actually off of a chair, or two chairs, like office chairs. And they're just the armrests for that. And then at the back here I picked up some rollers, which are good for the guides for the back there. So as it's a flat bottom boat, this is perfect. As you can see, nothing special at all, but it does the job. So anyway, that's it. Now it's time to get the boat on the trailer. Alright, let's get this boat on the trailer. I'm sad, my spring off of my little doohickey has gone. I don't know where it is. It might show up. We'll keep an eye on it. Anyway, getting the boat on the trailer. Start the boat. Just like that. Someone the other day mentioned on one of my posts about they wanted to have a quick look at the boat, let you all sort of see what it is. So I'm at the dock. Here it is. It's very dirty right now. Flat nose, excuse me, flat bottom boat. It's, I think it's about a 16, yeah, it's about a 16-foot boat. I think it's about 56 across, I'm gonna say, something like that. A few mods have happened to it. I've added numerous rod holders here, there and everywhere. This was added, this is actually to attach this, which is like a quick release, but today I lost the spring. It may be around somewhere, but I can't see it. So anyway, yes, so otherwise I've got a cleat here anyway, so use that. This wasn't here when I first got the boat, which is good for all your anchor ropes and everything. I'm going to leave these out for the moment because they just need to dry a little bit. Little fishy. This deck wasn't here before, and I'll put a few seat stands there so I can, actually the seats I've got, I can move them to wherever I want, so it's handy having them up here, like I say. But this wasn't here before. This is very handy. It opens up. That's where I keep my life jackets, gas cans. I don't always have 3 gas cans, but I ran out of gas once and forgot to change the tank, so safe and sorry, right? Oars, just in case I need them. batteries in here as well. So while I'm here, let's just turn that off. But yeah, it's all extra storage space, especially when it lifts up. A lot of people have a deck and it's fixed, so they kind of lose things under it, or it's just wasted space. So anyway, and another cleat on here just when I'm tying together with another boat. So just a basic fish finder on it. This is a computer for the motor, and just basic things: bilge pump, nav lights on the front and the back, and fish finder. This is the main power, on and off. Safety, of course. Emergency cooler for snacks and fish. And let's take that. Now, what else have I added and done? I've added multiple cup holders. 1, 2 on the front here, and added this grab bar as well, which is handy because it's fairly low, this boat, so it's nice to have that to grab hold of. Added these pouches on the side here, just for, as you can see, just for stuff. Again, rod holders. These ones, the quick release ones, we use them for sturgeon and the bigger fish. This one's for your level wines. Mo's not always like this, I'm just draining it. So what else do we add? As you can see, the motor's a bit big for the boat, so this was actually raised up here, and an extra mount. I've normally got a electric motor on the back here, so I use that. As for motor, it's Evinrude E-Tech. I think it's a 2012, I'm gonna say. It's a 90 horse jet, so you actually get about, I'm gonna say 60-ish from it. What else did I add? A couple of bumpers. I've got a buddy who got similar sort of boats, and when we go to sturgeon fishing we tie up, so this just adds a little bit of protection when we tie the boats together. Like I say, these are the stands. I've got a couple of positions for the stands here, and like I say, 2 at the front here. This wasn't here when I got the boat either. These 2 side panels were, but again, added the back here, added the piano hinge in the middle, and again, storage under there, and some horns, because you know everybody needs Dukes of Hazzard air horns while you're going down the river, purely to scare the seals off. Anyway, so storage space under there for everything. Again, rod holders. This, I did actually add these in here. I do have fishing rods which I put in there, but at the moment we have sticks for fires, because you never know when you're going to want a hot dog or something on the ripper. At the moment I do have just a old tripod from a camera, just so I film going down the river. Also got a little bottle opener there. That's for when we don't catch any fish. And some rod holders here just for when we're travelling along. So all in all, that's boat. It's pretty basic. It's got it needs a bit of a clean, but overall it's an excellent boat for rivers and fishing and lakes and whatever I do. So yeah, just thought I'd share it, and yeah, if you want to see anything else, just let me know. Got a buddy of mine who helps me with fixing it up. The next thing I want to do is actually change these chair armrests and actually put a proper guides there on the boat, but sorry, on the trailer. But apart from that, that's it. That's my baby. It gets me where I need to go. So yeah, you have a good day. Catch you later.